What would you do if you had an extra $77,000 to decide what to do with after selling a home? Today we're talking about home staging and how it can affect your home's value to the broad market of potential buyers by up to 20%. And on an average home price, that's $77,000 more that the average stage home sells for versus its unstaged competition. So if you're considering selling a home in 2023, 24, 25, we're going to be talking about why you should be paying attention to this and what are the hottest staging trends of 2023 so that you can prepare your home to get that extra $77,000 or 20% more based on your average price in your area. So first of all, what is home staging? Well, staging is the process of preparing your home for visits from shoppers. It sets the stage, if you will, for potential buyers to visualize your home as their own, helping them connect with it emotionally so they're more likely to fall in love and make a great offer. The major goal of staging is to highlight the positive aspects of your home while minimizing any negatives, in addition to creating a compelling aesthetic for stunning photos. Impactful photographs are especially important these days as 99.9% of buyers between the ages of 23 and 56 house hunt online, and 95% of all buyers do so, according to Statista. So the listing photos are your best chance to make the great first impression, and staging your home ensures that the photos don't present it as drab and empty, but instead as well-designed, modern, and desirable. So the idea of staging is to present your home as this beautiful move-in ready property that a buyer starts enjoying immediately after purchasing. It involves cleaning, decluttering, painting, furnishing, and redecorating. The cost of this can vary based widely on the square footage of your home, the number of rooms you want to stage, and the quality of staging items and the services you decide to hire out. But it's worth it, and here is why. Benefits of home staging. Like I mentioned at the beginning of this video, what would you do with an extra 77 grand? Stage your home and you may get to decide. So according to the International Association of Home Staging Professionals, staged homes sell for up to 20% more than their unstaged competition. The current median asking price in the US is just over $385, so 20% of that is 77 grand. Now, Denver Metro, that price is up to about $675,000, so we're talking almost 150 grand that stage homes sell for more than their unstaged competition. So depending on your market, stage homes will sell between 3 and 30 times faster than unstaged homes. If your goal is a fast sale for the most money, then keep listening and keep watching this because staging is for you. Also, if you're enjoying this content, please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button and hit the bell notification so we can serve this stuff up to you on a silver platter. So let's talk about the trends. Home staging in 2023. Again, the goal is to present a gorgeous, modernized version of your home to buyers. So outdated decor in staging is a no-go. What are the top staging tips for 2023? Well, number one, go all in on color. After years of cool grays and austere whites, color is back for 2023. And you have options. Try deep, earthy tones for a rich, grounded experience, or opt for warm neutrals and soft blues to build a sense of comfort and security. Or range into bold tones like sunflower yellow or Pantone's color of the year, Viva Magenta. That's fun to say, to energize and encourage empowerment and creativity. Next trend, get curvy. Sounds weird, right? Following cold whites and grays out the door are the harsh angles of the 2010s. Severe straight lines are no longer the way to create a timeless appeal. Instead, professional stager Christina Bell suggests going into comfort core with round shapes, soft edges, and curvy contours. Not only does this put your home on the aesthetic forefront, but it also creates a super comfortable and inviting space for potential buyers to fall in love with your home. Staging trend 3, bring the drama. Joining with bold color choices and departure from the strict minimalism are creativity, moodiness, and muchness in interior design. What's the goal? Drama. The best 2023 interior design has a flair for the dramatic, Striking contrasts, exciting feature walls, and sculptural light fixtures are on the list of staging items to take home shoppers' breath away. Number 4, return to nature. In the years following the height of the pandemic, we have collectively grown more connected with the natural world. This phenomenon has shown itself in our increased investment of outdoor spaces at home. And if you watch a previous video that we made a couple weeks ago, where we showcase the top 7 outdoor features to focus on, this also appears in increasingly popular interior design trends. These include the expanded use of natural and rustic materials, including stone and wood finishes and living plants, as well as aesthetic design choices. They range from literal natural motifs like leaves and flowers to the abstract and lush earthy paint hues and the organic shapes of the furniture. When you stage your home, you can incorporate these ultra-modern trends by integrating live plants, dramatic colors, organic shapes, and natural materials in your home design. The results, guys, I promise, will leave buyers ready to pounce with an offer the first chance they get. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.